So here we are, Port of Miami, Carnival Vista. And all the provisions on board. So you gain so much weight. Look at all that damn food they gotta get on here. Look at all the luggage. Check out the luggage. Look at that. Ooh-wee. But anyway, nice little Cove Balcony we got here. A little Family Harbor suite. Nice little cove here. Full balcony here. Look at that. Family Harbor suite. Kids already making a fort. Cool little artwork. TV, have a nice 56-inch flat screen TV. Got our names on board. Next door, check it out.
Open again.
You recording? It's open again.
Yeah, it's record away.
I'm recording again. The other one, the battery died. Battery died. Look who it is. Look who joined us. Oh, look who it is. It's their little room. Joining rooms. Family Harbor suite. Joining room right next door. Let's go look in the fort. Got a nice little mini fridge in here. Just like the Carnival Magic I was on.
I'm gonna let you guys and girls play.
Got that fort in here. Let's go. Yeah, you are funny. Of course. Turn down. Yeah, we're nice and cool. Door, muster station. Walk-in closet in here. It's got a walk-in closet. Nice little mirror. Deuces. Yeah, let's look in the fort. Let's look in the fort.
You know why?
Why?
Look, close it for a second and then come back in here.
Why?
Because you'll see it's an awesome nap room.
Is it? Okay. Got your own little TV, huh?
Look at that.
Ready? Okay.
This is blackout curtains.
Oh yeah, this is blackout curtains.
It's a nap room. So like someone can be up over there and we can be sleeping.
And that's a bed too. So it turns that into two king size beds.
And then
Then you got the trundle bed. We're gonna have them put the trundle bed down though.
Vincent could fit on this.
Also,
Look,
same kind of bathroom we had. Carnival Magic.
You're gonna sleep on the
But
ground.
but wait, there's more. There's more. Man, we got 2 bathrooms. Man, hey, you know what? We're gonna expedite showers in this place pretty good. Got 3 windows. Man, look at that little. We got that little window too.
It has a prop, like just put in the prop and bang it on the
Yeah, I'm banging on the wall. Yeah, to pop it open. So. Gong, 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 gong. Also too. Wait, there's more. Check this out. Family Harbor. Check it out. Look at this right down the hall. Family Harbor Lounge. People already up in there. Just for those of us in Family Harbor. Oh, you know what? Let's go get the minions. Hey, Family Harbor Lounge is open.
really? Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go. Come on, Vincent. We're gonna go to the game.
It's even more cool. I want to go to a bigger place.
Okay.
You gonna go to the bigger place?
Where's your flip flop? This is our own special place.
Can you help me?
Pretty awesome room.
The other place.
This is by far one of the best rooms we have. In fact, yeah. We're gonna come right back, and then we're gonna go upstairs. Yeah, and then we're gonna go upstairs.
Oh.
Ready?
Oh, look at that robe right there. I'm gonna
Yeah.
waste that one out.
Hey, what's your password?
Password is get the hell out of my damn room.
What's the password?
Oh, let me get my.
There you go. Now just walk in front of shit.